In the heart of Paris, on the Ile de la Cité, stands Notre Dame Cathedral. It is more than just a building. It is a symbol of France itself. For centuries, it has witnessed the city's history, its joys and sorrows. Notre Dame has inspired artists and writers, drawn pilgrims and tourists. Its story is interwoven with the story of Paris, a testament to the human spirit's ability to create beauty. The cathedral's origins date back to the 12th century. As Paris grew, so did the need for a grand cathedral. Construction began in 1163 and spanned over 2 centuries. The cathedral is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Notre Dame's location on the Ile de la Cité adds to its mystique. The cathedral's presence on this island reinforces its image as a place of sanctuary. Notre Dame Cathedral is a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture, a style that emerged in the 12th century and revolutionized building design. Gothic architects sought to create structures that soared towards the heavens, filled with light and air. Notre Dame embodies these aspirations with its soaring towers, pointed arches, ribbed vaults, and vast stained glass windows. Another key element of Gothic architecture is the use of flying buttresses. Notre Dame's flying buttresses are particularly impressive, forming an elegant and intricate network of stone that encircles the cathedral. The cathedral's facade is a masterpiece of sculptural decoration. As we move deeper into the heart of Notre Dame, we encounter one of its most iconic elements, the bells. These massive bronze giants are not merely instruments, but living entities that have marked the passage of time for centuries. Each bell has a name and a unique tone, creating a symphony that resonates through the heart of Paris. The largest and most famous, Emmanuel, weighs over 13 tons and has been tolling since the 17th century. These bells have rung for coronations, funerals, and moments of national significance, their echoes weaving the cathedral's history with that of the nation. The bell towers themselves are architectural marvels, housing these colossal instruments high above the city. The journey to the top is a climb through history, with each step revealing more about the craftsmanship and engineering marvels of the medieval period. Standing at the top, one can almost hear the heartbeat of Paris, a reminder of Notre Dame's enduring presence and its role as the city's spiritual and cultural epicenter. As we ascend from the resonant depths of the bell towers, we are greeted by another marvel of Notre Dame, the rose window. This masterpiece of medieval stained glass is a visual symphony of light and color, telling stories that span centuries. The South Rose, a gift from King Louis IX, is adorned with New Testament scenes. Sunlight pours through, illuminating the cathedral with a kaleidoscope of hues, creating an ethereal atmosphere that has left visitors in awe for generations. The central oculus, the Eye of God, gazes down upon the congregation, a reminder of the divine presence within these sacred walls. It stands as a symbol of Notre Dame's enduring spirit, a soul that continues to inspire and uplift all who stand beneath its radiant glow. As we move from the ethereal glow of the rose window, our journey brings us to the guardian spirits within its walls. These spirits are carved from stone and forged in legend. Gargoyles, those enigmatic stone creatures perched high above, serve both a practical and mystical purpose. Designed as ornate rain spouts, they protect the cathedral from erosion. Their grotesque forms and watchful eyes evoke an otherworldly presence, as if they are the silent sentinels of this sacred place. Each gargoyle is a unique creation, a blend of imagination and craftsmanship, symbolizing the battle between good and evil and the protection of the divine. Within the cathedral, the stained glass windows weave a tapestry of legends and lore. Each pane tells a story, capturing moments of faith, sacrifice, and divine intervention. The windows are not merely decorative. They are a medium through which the light of history and spirituality shines, connecting the past to the present. These guardian spirits, both in stone and in glass, embody the essence of Notre Dame's enduring legacy. They remind us that this cathedral is more than a monument of stone and mortar. It is a living entity, imbued with the stories, hopes, and prayers of generations past and present. In the presence of these guardian spirits, we are reminded of the timeless bond between the human and the divine, a bond that continues to resonate within the heart of Notre Dame. Visit Notre Dame Cathedral and experience the grandeur of Gothic architecture firsthand. Don't miss out on this historical marvel.